Hello friends, good morning. I developed this kit, Basic Electronics, for the educators and the parents and the kids which want to explore more about circuits and how they can learn different fundamentals concept through project based learning. So this particular kit, I'm just going to show you that you might purchase, might have more components onto it, because we are constantly practicing and upgrading this. So let's start with the component which what we have. I'll be just telling you all different name of the component. So these are the alligator clip wires. So they have both handed alligators like you. So you can connect it properly. I'm just keeping it aside. Then you will be having a motor in the kit, like pump motor. So this will be having a pipe also with it. So you can it might be disconnected. You need to connect this. You can use this for certain different kind of experiments where you are working with water. This pump is submersible, so you can dip this into a water. It won't have any problem because it is already waterproofed. Then you have a switch. This is a float switch. So it works basically when the water will be up, it will give a signal, and you can invert this by taking this particular pin out, so the logic will be reversed. Then you will be having this motor. This is a BO motor. For the safety part, generally these two things over here used to break out, so we have added a heat shrink and made this particular crocodile connectors connected. We have this coin cell just for easy learning purpose initially. So this can be attached with LED and kids can understand the power concept. We'll be having different kind of fin. This is one. This is two. We are providing this two type of fin. Those fins can be attached with a motor. So this is the motor, toy motor, which this fins can be attached. You can see, you can make this something like this. Then we'll be having a solar panel. So this is a solar panel. It is also shouldered and taped. So plus and minus can be checked out, and this will be the two connectors you can connect the component with. You will having a wheel. This wheel will be attached to this BO motor, and this BO motor can fix properly, and you can same way connect and use it. We'll be having different kind of switches. As I mentioned, this is the on off button switch. You can easily connect with the crocodile connectors like this. You take a pen and you just connect it, so it is easy for the experiment whatever your kids students will be learning. We have set of LEDs including the RGB LEDs. We have this 9-volt battery connector that will be required to connect the 9-volt batteries. So you can easily take this wire and connect in the circuits. We also provided this AA battery adapter holder. So what you can do is you can just take this up, connect the AA holder if you have rechargeable cells at home for doing the experiments. We have provided a buzzer. This buzzer can helpful for something alarm or something alert based project. You have different type of switches. This is also a push switch which you can put a hole and mount it. So this particular switch was they function both same, but they have different design. We have a toggle switch also given. So this toggle switch can have a two output from one input, so you can easily change the outputs. Then you have this LED. So this is a submersible, basically we have used this because it won't create any problem. It is very hard casing, so you can just connect and you can dip in the water also, or you can even put it outside. It won't have any effect on it because it's already cased and it has been waterproof from backside. Then you have this switch. This is a limit switch. It gives us the two different output, okay, according to your cutoff. You will be having a potentiometer. So potentiometer is variable resistor. So basically your resistance will increase and decrease. This will help you to understand how the voltage increase and decrease. You have set of resistors. There are certain experiments on YouTube and all which might need your resistor, like LED and all will blow up with the 5 volts, so you need a resistor. So we have provided a set of resistor. I don't think you will need many, but at least you should start having this resistor. It will be needed in further projects also. Then you have one more motor. This is a vibrator motor. This vibrator motor, when it is rotate, it vibrate. You know, our phone, like mobile phone, also have this small similar kind of motor which makes our mobile vibrate. Then we have provided this laser diode. So this laser diode emit a laser outlet, and this will be basically giving running on 3 volt to 5 volt. So you can run this through your 9 volt battery or 5 volt batteries. Then you will be having this bag. In this bag you will be having 2 different type of sensors. One is LDR and one is tilt switch. So LDR works on the light. This we have given for the laser purpose. So when laser is bombarded, it will pass the light, and it will stop the light. So this has a function which you will learn in the project. And this particular thing is a tilt switch. So when you tilt it, it is on. You just do this, it is off. We'll learn the scientific principle also into it. We have provided 2 of them. This switch we have provided 2 of them, you can see. So this is the entire kit which you will be getting. It looks a little messy because I don't have a camera view to put all of them and show to you, but I will be sharing a PPT in a while that will help you to understand. Now this particular thing, you need to make circuits. Okay, so how will be making a circuit will continue on different video, but I will just give you how you will be taking some component out of it. So let's say you have a battery and you will be having a LED. So these are the 2 components. So you can consider this 1 plus 1. So this works as the output, this works as the input. But now you add one more switch over here. So this becomes the controlling part. So when you push it, it is on, you leave it, it is off. So input, this is input, output, and controlling with this. So the similar way we will be using all the component in next video, and you will learn more about how this particular basic circuit works. Okay, so this is how you can introduce to your class, your student, different type of component. Let them observe, let them understand. One more thing is, if you are allowing mobile for self-learning, then I will recommend to use Google Photos or Google Lens, and tell them, provide this switch and tell them to take a photo and find out what it is. This particular exercise enable a lot of students to self-learn things. So this is also important. Like, you just provide this and say, hey, I don't know what this is. You just ask Google Lens. So once they have that pattern, everything what they see, and if they don't find, they start using the exploration practice, which is like using Google Lens, and that enable them a lot. So this is something what the basic kit of basic circuit kit consists of, having all different kind of component. Now we will be moving towards the experiment. So in the next video I'll be doing experiment with these 3, also some different experiment including only 3 component altogether, so you will understand. Okay, so that's it for the first video. Let's connect on the second video. Thank you.